in Cucina Del Capitano. Yeah, this is round 2. This time we came with the entire party. This
It's
guy's
his birthday,
Happy
Steven!
birthday!
Happy birthday,
He
Steven!
wanted steak or whatever. So there's going to be some harsh critiquing here because these guys all know Italian food.
Well, they're all Italian, so. Except
Yeah.
Steven, who's? Trinidadian. Well, John, you're not Italian.
Italian is like the Borg in Star Trek. They assimilate you and then you're Italian.
Yeah, it's
Except
true.
John speaks Italian and you think he's Italian.
No, he's not.
Molto bene. Poco poco.
You see?
I'm gonna take the arancini, and I'm gonna take the spaghetti carbonara.
So we're going to find out if this creamy carbonara is any good. Alex took it.
Can I have salad? Is there salad? Okay, I'll do that. Can I do that also? Is it too much? No. Okay. For dessert, lemon frozen tote sounds good. I'll try that.
No.
I had the tiramisu the other day and it was very good.
Birthday too, actually.
It was.
It was like a few days ago.
Alright, so we're gonna party.
Are you from Manila? What part of the Philippines are you from?
No, I'm from North Luzon. You know the place where is the U.S. Navy?
Oh, yeah, it's where the base is. Okay.
Yeah.
I do Eskrima, Filipino martial arts. So I'm looking for one Filipino who also does it. And on every ship, I can't find one. From the island of Cebu, the style I do.
Yeah, next cream is very popular.
Yeah. But can you
In my
handle?
place?
Tell me you can handle a knife.
No.
I'm gonna have the ossobuco.
How about your starter?
The arugula salad.
And dessert, sir?
Dessert. Tell me what I want.
Tiramisu.
I want a tiramisu. That's my wife. Daryl, you gotta tell the chefs these guys are Italian. No pressure.
No pressure. There's no Italian
There's not a single Italian back there?
from Italian Street, India.
Tell them to pretend. Tell them to pretend.
Oh, yeah. It's good, yeah.
Right, so I took the arugula salad and it comes with some beans. So let's try this out. It comes with like chickpeas or something. Very flavorful. Quite nice actually. It has like a little garlicky flavor, so I don't know if you're gonna like it. There's that peppery flavor from the arugula, and then the chickpeas give it a nice soft kind of consistency, and it's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet with the dressing, and it has parmesan on it, so it's really good. I give this
Or in India.
4.5 coconuts. Okay, so my aunt tried the frito misto. The shrimp was good, the rest of the fish was good, all the vegetables were good. Not the calamaris. It was extremely rubbery. She said she couldn't even cut it with her teeth, so do not order that. All right, I'm gonna try the carbonara. Alex goes carbonara. Okay, let's try it. I have a bit of the spaghetti, a bit of the bacon. What is that? I'm Italian, so I'm really picky about my pasta. It's so-so. I give it a 3 coconuts.
I got that too.
And it's lukewarm, so.
So I got the ossobuco. Oh wow, the plate is burning hot. It's a big piece.
Delicious.
So this meal on its own is an upcharge of $25. Let's see if my taste buds agree. Is this $25 worth of upcharge? But it looks really good. It smells good. It came really hot. No? Well, I think the ossobuco is really good, actually. Yeah, it's salty, but like in a good way, like not overpowering. It falls right off the bone. Is it too salty? No, it's right? That's how it's supposed to be.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's very good, and it's a generous piece. 5 coconuts. I forgot to mention that my ossobuco comes with some polenta, which is kind of like it's like corn-based. Cornmeal. It's cornmeal, but it's kind of like comfort food for Italians. My wife Sonona used to make some. It was really good.
Yeah.
Gonna try it with it. Oh yeah. It's even better with it. Mixed with the ossobuco, it's excellent.
All right, I have a lemon dessert. I don't know what it is exactly, but it said that it has lemon and blueberries and it's supposed to be frozen, so let's try it. Oh yeah, it's frozen. It's like a lemon ice cream or something. I don't see any blueberries in here.
Maybe it's just the coulis that has blueberries in it?
Oh, is that it? This is what they consider blueberries?
I don't know. It doesn't look the right color, no?
It just tastes like, freezer burn.
Oh, really?
No. What do you think?
Double black.
There you go, glassy.
Yeah, she says it tastes like frozen yogurt, and that's exactly what it tastes like. This is actually one of the worst desserts I've eaten on this cruise ship.
I'm gonna try the tiramisu.
Tiramisu's good. I had it the other day. It's good, eh?
Tiramisu is smooth.
Tiramisu is nice and
What did
smooth.
we rate it last time?
I don't remember. I'm gonna change the taste in my mouth. The tiramisu is excellent. Oh, this is the apple pie. Okay, I'll try the apple pie. Everybody's feeding me the desserts. Okay, this is a 5. 5 coconuts for the apple crostada. Okay, I'm gonna try the baba au rhum.
It's a dessert from Naples?
Yeah, it's from Naples.
Come on, give the people some history.
That's good.
Have you ever had it before?
Yes.
Oh.
This is a good baba au rhum. I would give this 4 coconuts because it's not my favorite dessert, but it's delicious.
It's done properly.
Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Stephen and John. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hooray!
Three.
Wait, on go or on 3?
3. You say
One,
you do the top.
2.
Yay! Good
Yes.
job, guys.
Impeccable timing.
Thank you guys.
So,
Thank
you guys are a
so much.
good-looking couple.
Thank you.
We've been told. We've been told.
C'est